In February, Honor unveiled the much-anticipated Honor X9a smartphone in South Africa. The Honor X9s is the latest member of Honor's X series, further expanding the brand's product portfolio to bring Honor's powerful technology to more users than ever before and takes the X series to a whole new level. The Honor X9a has been built with a 120Hz OLED 45-degree curved display that offers incredible smoothness while playing or watching and displays 1.07 billion colors for astonishing visuals with unbelievable levels of clarity and true-to-life colors. Comes with ultra-slim bezels which lead to an exceptional 93% screen-to-body ratio. The durable deeply reinforced glass, the class-leading display on the Honor X9a offers extreme durability that withstand using under tough scenario with a great capability. To ensure that those who are prone to accidents never have to worry about damaging the device, each of the test samples is dropped from different heights, at different angles, and onto different types of surfaces to examine the hardiness of the device against drops. Honor X9a is a real testimony of the continuous success of the X series, and the smartphone will be available in the South Africa markets with exciting price and amazing offer.